I am Adnan Ashraf, your tutor. In this tutorial we will learn how to make an artificial spotlight in Photoshop. First of all, make a duplicate layer of original layer as usual. Now start operation to produce a cool effect. Step 1. Make a new empty layer. Step 2. Make a rectangular selection in empty layer. Step 3. Create a 3-color gradient and fill into selection. And press Ctrl D to deselect selection. Step 4. Press Ctrl and T to transform selection. And adjust position where we are going to add light. Step 5. Add Gaussian blur on new layer. Choose intensity to 25 to 30. Our effect is ready. Do you find this tutorial helpful? Kindly push subscribe button and hit the bell icon to get more updates about graphic designing and video editing. And also like this video to appreciate me. Thank you.